Hello, fellow gardeners. Well, it's getting down towards the last of March. Some people are calling me about fertilizers. Yes, we sell all of these fertilizers at the garden center. And that telephone number is 580-564-2166. Sherry or her mother, Shirley, will answer the phone and they will help you, be glad to help you. Now, let me tell you, I know you can order a free paper off of us on text from me or from Sherry, either one. Or if you call Sherry at the garden center, she will send you a paper one free of charge in the mail. We're trying to be as helpful as we can. We want you to be successful. Now we're going to talk about this fertilizer a little bit. There is 5 things you have to put in the tub that's powder. Okay, we got the sea mineral. Please get it off of us or somebody else. It's called C90. Yes, it is C90 is the name of it. We sell it for how much a gallon? How much a pound? $4 a pound on this sea mineral. If they're trying to charge you $10 a pound, tell them to heck with it. Come to us and we'll send you some. Okay? Then there's the sustain you got to put in the tub. That's a 464 that we recommend putting in there. It's a slow release. And then we got the gypsum. Now, check at your garden center locally first and see if you can get this. See if you can find this gypsum at your garden center. If you can't, then call us, because all garden centers should have gypsum. Now, the reason you use gypsum in your soil, in your tubs, is because it will not change the pH of your soil from, if you put lime in your soil, it changes the pH from low, like wherever it is at 6 or 5 or 6, it'll change it on up towards 7. Of course, you got to have some of this for your plants, but if you need to put more in to keep, they're trying to get calcium in there for your blossom end rot, then you use gypsum. Gypsum will not change the pH of your soil. You can use a half a cup to every one of them tubs and it won't change it. Please put gypsum in. If you can't buy it at your local garden center, then by all means call us and Sherry will sell you a little bit, bigger, more package, according to how many tubs you got. Now, buy that lime at home if you can. Buy the gypsum at home if you can. Your Epsom salt, I know you can get it there. You can buy it at the drugstore. You can buy it at Lowe's, or you can buy it at Walmart, Home Depot. But check around. If it's for plants, it'll cost you a lot more money than what you buy to soak your feet in. So you can go buy at the drugstore, usually think, a half a gallon of this sea mineral for this Epsom salt for a couple of bucks. Now, it may be higher now, but anyway, buy it for medical use rather than for plants. It's the same deal. A lady called me this week, and it was 3 times as high for plants as it was for medical use. So I said, get the medical, it's all the same. Epsom salt is Epsom salt. Okay, you don't have to pay freight. You don't have to buy this off of me. Get it locally somewhere. Get your lime somewhere. Get a powdered lime. Here it is, powdered lime. Don't get pelleted. Get powdered for these tubs. Okay? See if you can get your gypsum there at home. If you can't, we can help you. Nearly everybody has powdered lime. Okay? That leaves you now to come in to get gypsum, sustain, and sea mineral, and your master blend that you're going to use on your flowering vegetables that makes the fruit of the bloom, like tomatoes, peppers, squash, eggplant, cucumbers, watermelons, cantaloupes, bell pepper, on and on. We'll make you, if you just got a few tubs, we'll get you a little sacked up. If you got a big farm, we'll sell you by the 25 pounders. So anyway, we're just trying to get you excited about growing. We want it to be a success for you. If you're having troubles, you text me at 580-564-5909 and leave me a text. Now, if I'm busy driving Judy around in the boat, I may not answer because we're fishing. But when I get off of the lake, get to the house, I will send you an answer. If it's something I can't text pretty quick, I will even give you a call. I won't call after 9:30 or so at night, and I'll look and see where you're at. If you're on the East Coast, I'll stop at 8:30. But anyway, I'm going to try to help you be successful and get those kiddos to gardening. We want them to learn how to grow their own food because prices of food is getting high. If you've bought food lately, I don't have to tell you this, you know it. We used to take $100 in. Now we take $200 in. And some things you can't even find. And it's going to get worse. So let's help garden. Let's grow some of our own food. We know what we're eating that way. Listen, subscribe, punch the button, ring the bell, and we're going to make you another video.